So my interactions with NREL started pretty much day one of grad school. It kind of really put my small scale work into a much bigger context.
The Nexus is all-encompassing of all things between mines and the National Renewable Energy Lab.
It really is aiming to leverage the world-class research and facilities we have at NREL and looking at all the subject matter around the clean energy economy.
This really gives students from mines an opportunity to work with the world's leading experts in these areas, as well as the top-of-the-line equipment in these areas.
We have a really excellent way for experiential learning for students to really dig into research and learn how to do the research, learn how to write up the results, publish, and also present their results.
One of the things I've really appreciated about working with people at NREL is how receptive they are and how helpful they are towards students. And I've gotten to make individual relationships with a lot of people there.
You can tap the expertise of two different entities that can really bring a unique perspective to a graduate student research project.
The fact that NREL is the leading lab for the clean energy future, it really positions students in a nice place to be able to jump into that and really start to drive the future of the world, really.
Being able to interact with NREL so much and now being able to work there, I think that's also helped me fully believe that my research matters. And there are a lot of people who care about this, and there are a lot of people I can learn from. And it's really rewarding. It just helped grad school be more rewarding and enjoyable for me.